Look at that. It does it all by itself. My name is PeeJ, let me not waste your time. Today I'll be showing you how to use this Subtitle to Text Plus script for DaVinci Resolve. In order to use the script, you need to download the Keto Script that I go over how to install in this video right here in order for you to access this tool. So I have my clip right here, which is the tutorial audio that I have over here, and I'm going to use the new 18.5 Studio feature in order to create some subtitles, but there's other ways you can probably do it by finding a free website. It allows you to get a .srt file in order for you to transcribe this audio into something that can make subtitles. I'm just going to do that with DaVinci Resolve 18.5's new Subtitle AI. So in order to do that, I'm going to select my clip over here. I'm going to go up to timeline, and then I'm going to go down to create subtitles from audio. Click that right here, and then we change the max characters per line, and I'm going to do around, say, let's do 25. That's fine. Hit create, and now it'll go launch the AI, and it'll look through the video clip, and then it'll start creating subtitles above in this subtitle track that is right over here. Once that is done, you can see we have subtitles all over our track just like this, and that corresponds to the text that I'm saying in the video. And now we're going to add our own text plus. So you can either grab a text plus from the effects library toolbox down to titles, and then go to text plus, and you can add that here, and you drag it along your comp just like this, and then drag it down. Or you can have your own text preset that you have saved, and I have mine in my power bins over here. As you can see, let's drag that onto here called subtitle. If you would want my text preset, as you can see over here, this is my text preset right here. If you want mine, I'll have it sold on my website so you can get it and use it for yourself. But I'm going to put this right above my text layer just right here, and now we're going to lock our layers down here. It does not include the text plus. It just have the subtitles and the text plus open over here, and then we're going to open our script. So we're going to go up to workspace, we're going to go down to scripts, we're going to go over to RS comp, and then we're going to go hit subtitle to text plus, and here the script's going to open up. And here we just need to choose our subtitle track, which is going to be subtitle 1, and the video layer that our text plus is on is video layer 2. So let's go down there, video layer 2, and then we're going to hit convert. Alright, once it's finished, you can see, let's just disable this whole layer over here like that, and then you can see our subtitles popping up right here just like this. And sometimes you have a little excess text plus, and you just have to disable that or get rid of that just like that. But that is everything, and that is how you use the script. Just a friendly reminder, when you use anything from Keto, you need to open Resolve from the launcher that we have from our shortcut over here. Open the launcher, and then hit Resolve launcher over here, and then open Resolve that way through this button right here. But otherwise, if you're interested in getting my subtitle preset, I'll link it down in the description on my 4th wall page. If you're interested in learning about how to create the halftone effect in DaVinci Resolve without using particles, click this video right here. Otherwise, subscribe and have a good day.